I am going to show you 2 short 40-second video clips. Please watch them carefully and then come right back. If a tree is seen growing well in a dry area, where normally no water is found, it is a strong sign that underground water is present nearby. Water will be found at a distance of 3 cubits to the west side of the tree, and about 7 cubits deep below the ground, a water vein is flowing towards the west. While digging, you should see the following symptoms. At around 2.5 cubits depth, you will first see a pale white frog. Below that, you will find yellow-colored clay. After that, there will be a very hard stone, which can be broken only using strong heat. Below this hard stone, water will be found. In a similar dry area, if a jambu or jamun tree is growing, and there is an ant hill on the east side of that tree, it is a very strong sign that good underground water is present. Sweet drinking water will be found at a depth of about 10 cubits, at a distance of 3 cubits to the south side of the tree. While digging, you should see the following symptoms. At around 2.5 cubits depth, you will find a fish. Below that, you will find a stone that looks like the color of a dove or light gray. Next, you will find blue-colored clay. Below these layers, there will be plenty of water, and it will last for a very long time. Did you know about what I just explained? These are only 2 examples out of hundreds of signs, specifications, and conditions mentioned in an ancient Indian book about finding underground water. By the end of this video, I will share all the signs, specifications, and conditions mentioned in the book for finding underground water. Before we go further, let us understand which book this is, who wrote it, and the other important details you should know. Today, if we want underground water, we call a drilling machine and dig after many scientific assessments. Sometimes we get water, sometimes we don't. But did you know? Our ancestors could tell exactly where water is hiding under the earth. This ancient water-finding science is written in a great book called Bṛhat Samhita. Samhita means collection. This book was written by a brilliant Indian scientist named Varāhamihira. He wrote about this subject by referring to the works and writings of Sage Saraswata and Sage Manu. Sage Saraswata is believed to have lived during the time of the Mahabharata. And Sage Manu, it is unknown. In Brihat Samhita, Varāhamihira explained that underground water does not stay randomly, it flows silently under the earth like invisible rivers. He taught that the earth itself gives us clear signs about water. Trees show it, ant hills show it, soil color shows it, stones, animals and land shape show it. In his book, he clearly mentions where water is present, how deep and where to dig, in which direction water flows, what type of water we will get, whether the water source will last long or dry fast. This was a real science used by farmers, kings, and village planners of ancient India. Even today, his findings are proven scientifically. Varāhamihira lived in the 6th century CE. He was a great scientist who studied the sky, earth, water, weather, rain, earthquakes, farming and building methods. He worked in the royal court of King Vikramaditya in Ujjain. His book Bṛhat Samhita is like an ancient science encyclopedia. It contains deep knowledge about many things. In his book he dedicated a separate section for exploration of water springs, that is chapter 54. And the title of this chapter is Dhakargalam. In this chapter he explains, just like our body has veins that carry blood, the earth also has veins that carry water. Some of these water veins are near the ground surface, while others are deep underground. He says, even though rainwater looks and tastes the same when it falls, it changes after touching different types of soil. Because of this, the color and taste of water can be different in different places. So, water must be examined based on the place where it is found. According to the book, there are 9 types of water veins. The world has 8 directions. In each direction, the underground water paths, or veins, are called by the name of the lord of that direction. The lords are: Indra represents east, Agni represents southeast, Yama, south, Niriti, southwest, Varuna, west, Vayu, northwest, Chandra, north, and Shiva, northeast. This is the chart. Please pause the video and read it. Apart from these, there is one special ninth vein called Mahashira, which lies at the center and represented by Lord Vishnu. From this great vein, many smaller veins spread out in different directions, and each one has its own name. A water vein that comes up from deep below the earth is considered good. Water veins found in the four main directions, east, west, north, and south, are also considered good. A water vein located just near to the surface of the earth is not considered as good. And water veins found in between directions like northeast, southeast are not considered good. Following are the complete important signs, specifications and conditions to find the water springs or veins as mentioned in the book. Please pause and read. For forest and watery regions. For desert area. From the works of sage Manu. Thanks for watching.
I hope you liked it. If you really liked it, please subscribe the channel.
I think these signs, specifications and conditions were applicable only to the naturally grown trees.